and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I hope.
Hello folks, welcome to another of our Taste Buds episodes or series on Yardie TV. Today I am making a beautiful vegetarian dish which can be modified to become vegan very easy. It is almost Christmas, and so we want to wish all our subscribers a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year when it comes. This dish can be added to your Christmas meal spread to make a delicious vegetarian alternative to meat if you have friends who are not eating meat at all at your dinner party or your Christmas get together. Today I'm making cauliflower au gratin. Alright, cauliflower au gratin, and this is a French casserole basically. I'm gonna add some broccoli to it, so you could say cauliflower and broccoli au gratin. Now the reason why it's vegetarian is because I'm going to be adding cheeses that I have over here, and I'm also going to use a cream of mushroom soup. The reason why I'm using cream of mushroom soup is because I am using dairy cheese, and I don't want to mix the dairy cheese with the coconut milk, but otherwise you could modify it by using coconut milk or cream of coconut, some other liquid like that, and you may also find vegan cheese to substitute. All right, we're using some garlic, onion, scallion, broccoli, cauliflower, which is the star of the show. I'm also using the cream of mushroom, bread crumbs for topping it with bread crumbs for it to bake and get nice golden brown and stuff. And then I'm using as you can see, a whole different line of cheeses. All right, so this is a casserole, as I said before. It's simply a play on mac and cheese or a play on a regular casserole. All right, so this is what we are doing right now. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to start cutting up my vegetables and preparing the cauliflower, cleaning it up and everything, and then from there we get the ball rolling. So join us as we get this cauliflower au gratin down.
So the cauliflower has been cut into small pieces and thoroughly washed, and now it's being added to the boiling water.
I will just quickly blanch in the cauliflower just to get it a little bit soft. We're not trying to super cook it. I will clean up the other vegetables now.
Oh yeah, just a little bit of broccoli that was cut into fairly fine pieces because we just wanted to, provide a little highlight for the cauliflower, just to jazz it up a little bit. So we're going to be adding this to the cauliflower once the stove has been turned off, because you just want to blanch it a little bit, not overcook it.
Not overcook.
Stove off. Broccoli added.
And we're just gonna make this get brighten. When you blanch stuff, it just get brighten. Really
like a neon color or something like that. And just to mention, the boiling water had absolutely no salt in it, only because we're using the cream of mushroom soup, which in itself has sufficient salt content, right? So don't go ham with the salt, you guys. Easy yourself.
Okay, so I just emptied this bottle of Blendabella, which is my mushroom blend from Giorgio, and this is not a must, guys, but I have it, so I decided to use it. And the next thing I'm gonna add is my onions and my garlic. I'm gonna add the scallion whites too, because I can use the greens as part of the top. Alright. And the Blendabella is an Italian Tuscan flavor, so it has Italian seasoning, and that is important for the whole thing. My hands are clean, guys, bear with me. And then I'm gonna add my cream of mushroom soup. And you want to add these things while they're cold, because you're gonna blend the, go ahead, you're gonna blend the cauliflower in it, or toss the cauliflower in it. Alright, and as I said, this is not a must that you use the soup, but you know, for this purpose today we're trying to go quick and easy, and that works.
So it's time to add the cauliflower to the other ingredients. It's piping hot.
And what will happen, because it's hot, it will help to sort of cook the rest of stuff. You know, the onion and the garlic, sort of cook them. And I'm just gently stirring everything to incorporate everything right now.
More of a folding motion.
Alright, so now I'm adding some of my chopped onion. I like a lot of chopped onion, it's really good. I'm adding some black pepper. And I'm adding some herbs de Provence, Italian herbs, dried Italian herbs. And I'm supposed to be adding garlic powder, right, bitch?
Look at how it looks, you guys. It's an amalgamation of flavors.
Go on, big word, amalgamation.
So that's the garlic powder being added.
Garlic powder. And then you just fold in again. And the good thing with the cauliflower is that it's not breaking up. Everything is holding its shape. You know, the cauliflower is a little bit more brittle than the broccoli, but it's still holding its shape nicely.
So guys, make sure you don't overcook your cauliflower. That's key, because if you overcook it, once the cooking utensil touches it, it will break apart, and you don't want that.
And then I'm gonna add the 6 cheese Italian blend. Alright, and I'm adding a lot of cheese.
And you can add based on your taste.
Right, if you want to use Mexican cheese, it's up to you.
Your dietary preference. Yeah.
Fold in again, gently, ever so gently. By this time it starts to cool down a little bit, so the cheese not gonna melt too readily. But yeah, yeah. And then we're gonna add it to our casserole dish.
Good to go. Alright, so we have our casserole dish here that was greased with some olive oil. Now you just want to pour it into your dish, and eventually you would spread it out evenly so that it cooks evenly, right?
Right. And it's not supposed to come out hard, or it's supposed to come out like a casserole. I don't know.
So it's not like a baked mac and cheese where you can actually
Cut
cut a
it.
slice
No,
and
scoop
hold
up.
it with your hand.
No, you gotta scoop up a slice and then the crust
Would give you the crunch.
Yeah, sort of.
So it's, you know, like a variation in textures. It will be nice and soft on the underside, and then on the top is crunchy.
Right. And you know me have to scrape out everything out of the bowl, right?
Right, see so.
No, because we're not throwing nothing on here. Alright, so you just want to shape him up nicely. What you looking for?
No, it's not giving the true color, but it's a little bit on the brighter side. But
alright, and then we're gonna go back with our Italian blend cheese. And the cheese, when the cheese melts, it also holds it together somewhat, you know. And remember, guys, you can substitute this cheese with vegan cheese to make it a vegan dish. You can substitute the mushroom, cream of mushroom with vegan cream of mushroom. Everything that is used to make it a vegetarian dish can also be used to make it a vegan dish, just variations. Alright, but true, we not hold fast to the veganism. We have decided to go vegetarian. Alright, and then I want it extra cheesy, so I'm gonna add some cheddar. Add the cheddar. Some mild cheddar.
cheddar is the word.
I like to say cheddar. Is there anything wrong with saying cheddar? It's what it says.
It's wrong.
It says cheddar. Cheddar. Am I wrong?
Cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese.
I like to say cheddar. It sounds much more interesting. Cheddar. Cheddar, cheddar. And this is really nice with some garlic bread and some, you know, little stuff. If you want to put some chicken with it, if you want, you know.
Or it can be a standalone dish.
Or it can be a standalone dish. Or you can put it with two plantain. Two green plantain or right plantain. Cheddar, and now my cheddar is added. All who like when I said cheddar, comment it in the comment section.
The bread crumbs?
Hold on, I'll put this first. I wanted this to sink in. I don't want this to burn. It's gonna peep through. So I'm just adding my. It looking good now, don't? You like it, right? See, always I feel like I have my dish them. Why not like leave me alone and stuff like half the dish them?
Green onions, guys. Green onions.
And then the last thing is you're gonna put some seasoned breadcrumbs. And if you have panko breadcrumbs, you can use it. But I know how come we don't have no panko.
Why? Isn't that just one brand?
No, panko is Japanese bread.
Really?
Yes, it's a whole different ball game.
This looks so pretty right now.
Alright, and this breadcrumbs is seasoned, guys, and so we don't need to even think about adding any salt. Just add the breadcrumbs, and the breadcrumbs will melt up in the cheese and everything will be nice and crusty. Yeah?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful. And you notice I'm being generous with the breadcrumbs, right? Because you don't want it to get lost when everything starts to bubble and, you know. But I say bubble and wine, but I don't mean that. Nice.
It's not pretty no more.
It is. You don't worry about that. You want it pretty or want it nice?
Pretty nice.
Wow. This cheese is gonna make the breadcrumbs nice and toasty, and it's gonna be beautiful. And there you have it. That's better.
Cauliflower Au Gratin. So our oven has been set to 350 degrees, yes, and it's gonna be just allowed to bake for about 20 minutes initially, and then
until
we'll
the
come
top
back.
get brown.
Yeah.
And this is what it looks like after 20 minutes in the oven, guys. Again, your oven may vary in temperature, and so you want to check on it, you know. I definitely got a little more crusty top than I would probably want. I'm now dressing it up with some salad, and you just want to, you know, put together a nice little plate. You can add it as a side dish to rice. You can, you know, make it the main course as we're doing today. I'm gonna make a plate for Joshua, and so I'm gonna be adding some chicken wings to it and stuff. But you just really want to make your full meal, and the salad is pre-packaged. You definitely can get some good flavors from some of the pre-packaged salad, the salad kits. Yeah, so the first thing I want to do is to make my little salad, and then we're gonna go in for the cut. Now guys, I want to be honest with my viewers. I think we did have the cauliflower in the pot too long, because the cauliflower basically went a little bit softer than we would like. I would have loved for it to be a little bit more crunchier than it came out. So next time I'm gonna be blanching the cauliflower way less, make it almost raw, so that it stands up to the oven heat. Altogether, the flavors are beautiful, nice, tastes so good and stuff. But as I said, I wanted my casserole a little bit more on the crunchier side, a little bit, you know, stand up a little bit more. So what I want to say is, make sure you try this one in your neck of the woods. Yeah, put together your casserole, add your flavors, make it vegan if you want by removing the cheese and the cream of mushroom soup, and otherwise it is a beautiful dish, guys, and a great way to use up your cauliflower, because a lot of people don't eat cauliflower because they're really tired of the cauliflower. Cauliflower is not one of the most, you know, sought after vegetables in my household, but we have found a way to incorporate it nicely, and this will definitely be on my plate for Christmas. Once again, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Big up yourself, and top of the season to each and every one. Yardie TV with my cauliflower and broccoli casserole. Yes. Remember, live and laugh, cook and eat. Blessings to you.